Last morning of harvest 2024. I already have the back opened up. I've seen guys throughout the year, such a great idea. Use the leaf blower on the machine. I had blown it off last night after finishing up, but I do see some in the engine compartment. If I can get up here while carrying a leaf blower and having the phone. But yeah, gonna get everything cleaned up and going. While I'm up here, check the engine oil, as always. Good. Hydraulic oil. Hydrostat. That's good. Yeah, I have a few more pieces to blow off. Yeah. It'll be good. Cold one this morning. Yeah. Other way. Double check, because I've accidentally locked that. Okay. Let's see if she starts up. Ooh. Gonna get some heat on in here. Last day. Well, she's all set to go. Aside from letting her thaw out, glass is pretty frosty this morning. That's okay. Now gives me time to get my lunch and coffee and see if I don't finish my lunch at before 8 o'clock. Figured I'd start this one first. The row of shame. I counted incorrectly, so time to get this one harvested first and then finish up the rest. Really utilizing the combine's potential. One of the last few unloads. Oh. And my flag on the back. I guess, yeah. to the last small passes. And that will be it for Harvest 24. And that's a wrap. Harvest 2024. Last time across this driveway for the year. Get the last of the corn delivered, blow the combine off, and then get it over and start pressure washing it so we can have it all set to put away. That'll be nice. October 24th, probably one of the earliest that I've finished combining in a long time. But thankful to God for a successful harvest and no issues, and well, only minimal issues, so thankful for that. Yeah, it's a tight one. Okay, that's the last little bit. Signing off for Harvest 2024.